on.
Great shot. For a moment I thought it was straight at mid-off, but he probably did too, but it flew past him. Shots. Brings the field up for the last two deliveries. The best they've played. A ton of innings for his lips.